It was very windy across parts of our area today, and that wind comes from a special type of system over Colorado's eastern plains. News 5 meteorologist Casey Dorn shows us how these winds work.
Monday's wind is coming from something called a lee-side low. Let's talk about how they form. Let's start by breaking down the name. Lee-side just means downwind of the mountains. So a lee-side low means we have a low to the east of the mountains. They form in some types of downslope wind setups. Downslope winds occur when strong winds flow over the Rocky Mountains. The air descends over the plains and warms up as it does so. Lee-side lows tend to form when these strong winds carry extra energy into the upper atmosphere. You may hear us refer to this energy as an upper level disturbance. As this energy moves from the mountains into the plains, it tends to cause air to rise and move inward. As we suck air up from the ground, we end up with less air at the ground. That's what low pressure is. The downslope winds themselves help with this process too. As air races down a mountain, speeding up like a bowling ball rolled down a hill, it spreads out farther, and this enhances the low pressure. Since the atmosphere wants to stay in balance, air flows from high to low pressure. When these lows develop over the plains, they push the atmosphere out of balance. So the downslope winds speed up to try and restore that balance again. So to summarize, lee-side lows increase wind gust speeds in downslope wind setups, and that's why it was windy on Monday morning. They also increase the amount of warming we get from a downslope wind setup, which is why it's warm this afternoon. Now, we see lee-side lows more often during spring as the jet stream frequently moves over our state. So this may be a good time of the year to move some of your lighter weight outdoor items away from the part of your home facing the mountains. Meteorologist Casey Dorn, News 5.